welcome back to my channel. My name is Bria. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back, bitch. You already know what's going on. By the title of this video, you already know I am doing my full face of drugstore makeup. I don't really use anything from like Sephora, Ulta, because the bitch is broke. Everything is expensive. Joe Biden is in office and he ain't doing shit. But that ain't nobody's problem. That ain't my problem. Subscribe to my channel because I'm a vibe. I'm going to be uploading a little bit more. Not a little bit more. I'm going to upload more, especially this month and next month. For the end of the year, I plan on actually posting content on my Instagram and on YouTube. Want to see more of that? Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. It'll be right here. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment any video suggestions y'all got down below because I be needing them. Yeah, so okay, y'all. So I prime my face with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I also go in with the Nourishing Elf Face Oil because I got dry skin. So I do my brows first. I use the Ruby Kisses Super Slim eyebrow pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. I like that pencil. I may only start using that pencil. For the pore eraser, I put this like on my nose, anywhere where my pores like suck, which is around my nose right now, like in this area. The foundation I'm going to be using is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 11 in Amber. I just switched back to using it. Haven't I used this in a minute? But what I was using for a while, first of all, ghetto. But I had to put my makeup in Ziploc bags because my other bag was so fucking dirty. That shit should have been a crime, how disgusting that bag looked. No. Okay. I only use one pump. The brush that I'm using is the Japanese the Japanese foundation brush, and I got this from Marshalls, I think. If you ever want to get some high quality stuff for cheap, go to Marshalls. They be having foundations there, but they never have my shade. It's either too dark or way too light. But they be having like Anastasia Beverly Hills. They be having like the foundation sticks. Does my face look kind of orange? Really close to my my mirror. I'm blind, but this foundation really does give you like a really smooth finish. Whatever's left on my sponge, I put it on my forehead. Anything. I never have anything left on my my foundation brush. Now I'm going in with Neutrogena Radiant Cream Concealer. I really ever put anything on my forehead. If we're being honest right now, I don't know why I'm putting this on my forehead, but yeah. So I let it dry down a little bit. And usually I blend out my concealer with a sponge. Sometimes, most of the time, honestly. But I'm gonna blend it out with this soft accent brush from, I forget what brand this is. Real Techniques. I was really trying to remember it. But yeah, see, like I barely gotta move it. I'm gonna take my foundation brush again. Let's just get some type of harsh line when I'm doing my concealer. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. concealer. But I'm gonna use the shade in Pharaohs. Every time I go to Target, for one, they're always sold out of this. They never have my shade. What is this? Makeup Revolution banana powder and Airspun and translucent. Okay, y'all, for This part, I'm sorry, I definitely was not talking, and on top of that, my girlfriend had just came home, so I was kind of shabby. But for when I apply powder, I'm using this brush, but I just tap the powder into my skin and I wipe it away immediately because I don't want flashback, and I don't really bake because literally around my eye area, I'm already dry, so there's no point. Also, now I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm first going in with the middle shade. I didn't show y'all the palette yet, but I showed it towards like the middle of me doing this. But I use the middle shade, that's what I'm using now, and then I use the shade on the far left. Yeah, the darker shade on the far left. What I'm doing now is like I'm putting it under the warmer shade just to deepen it up a bit, and then I'm gonna go in with this like fan brush that I got from Ross. Y'all, my favorite brush, hands down. This brush right here, favorite fucking brush. This brush, I just blend pretty much everything together. I really came back as if I wasn't recording, but now I'm using my NYX brown lip pencil. I don't know exactly which one or what exact color, like dark brown, whatever the fuck, because I cannot find that lip pencil right now. But the lip gloss that I went in was the Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker in the shade, what's this? Rose and Shine. Love this shit. And then I use the LA Girls color. Yeah, I don't know, but it's like the really like pink one.